Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks, discussing about some shortcut tricks on array. Now the situation is, suppose if I want to get all the things, means suppose we have multi-dimensional array and we are going to get the values with the dot notation. Then how can I do this? Just like if I have an array like this, suppose I have a school array. Okay, so this is a school array, and inside the school array we have a array like this, means this is the multi-dimensional array I am going to create. So inside the school array we have a class. Okay, so class itself is a array, so simply just write in this way array, and inside this class array we have another array. Suppose there is student array. Okay, so simply just write in this way student array. So there may have multiple student, so I am just creating a array, and inside the student array suppose we have like this name, and name equal to something John, and student have a email, so simply write email, and just email is john@email.com, and in this type of things, right? So if I just going to print that array right now, so simply I just going to use print r the main array. Okay, so this is actually the multi-dimensional array. So I just going to use actually this is the HTML syntax. Okay, this is the HTML keyword. Actually it will looks very nice and understandable. So this is the array, actually this is the multi-dimensional array. So inside the main array we have a class student name. Now the question is, if I want to get the value easily, means with a dot notation, means using dot notation we can get these things very simply. So now if I just use the array function, so before using array function we need to include that things. This is the illuminate support array, so that we can use the array function. So simply just use this value, use the array. So simply write array, and we have a function, we have a method, the name of this is dot. Okay, so basically it will convert the full array into a dot notation. Okay, and simply just print the dotted array, means school array, not school array, just write final array, and let's declare this as a final array. So okay, now just refresh this, you will get class dot student dot name equal to John, class dot student dot email equal to john@email.com. so let's uncommit that things, so that you can understand. So you will get the name into the class under the student and the name. So using the dot notation, using the dot function, you will get all the things easily. Means simply if you want to print the John, then simply you can write echo the final array and the path class student name. It will actually give you easily. Okay, so just write this and refresh, you will get the John. Simply if you write here email, you will get the email. Okay, so whatever you have an array, you don't need to think about that things after seeing that video. Okay, so if this video helps you, please like this and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. We'll come with more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.